Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can clean the filter on your Dyson Supersonic. This is the HD01 black nickel. This filter is already clean. I'm doing this purely for the video. You're going to want something that you can clean with. An old toothbrush will be ideal, and the filter is underneath this part here. So if you look closely, you can see there's a little red dot, and we have a solid circle there and an empty circle there. Right now this is in the lock position. We need to move it counterclockwise so the red circle goes on the empty circle, like so, and that will allow us to pull this down like that. Now it might be a little bit harder to come off if there's a lot of dust around the place, but yeah, that's what you do to there, pull it down, and then you want to get your old toothbrush and you want to go all the way around here. You might find that the bristles are getting caught in it. If you just do it sideways like that, then the bristles are not going to get caught. And do it all the way around, also up inside here as well. You can also use a cloth to do this. And make sure you get rid of all the dust, because this is where it sucks the air in. So if it's been very dusty in your room or in the environment, this is all going to be clogged up with dust and fluff. So once you've got that nice and clean, because your hairdryer might be overheating because it's not getting good airflow into it because of all the dust. And once you're happy this is all clean here, you can give this a clean. So again, with the toothbrush, this is a lot easier to clean. Just make sure that you go in all the holes and make sure they're nice and clean. You can also go up inside as well. Go all the way around and give it a good clean. As you can see, this one's immaculate because I've only just cleaned it. When you're finished, you're going to look for the red dot again, so rotate it around until you've got the red dot, and you want to go onto the empty circle here. If they're both worn off, just have a look at my one here and you can guesstimate where that's going to be. For example, if you're putting it on there, you can see it's not going to close, so just keep rotating it until it will drop into place. It will also actually work 180 degrees in that position as well, but if you've still got these, it's easy to line up. So just up to there. If when you do this you're pressing too hard, you might think it's not going in. It's because you're pressing too hard and you've made it oblong. If you just push it from the bottom here like so, it will go nicely into place there with just a tiny gap, and then rotate. So really easy to do up there, and that is now locked into position. So hopefully once you do that, your hairdryer will work nice, it won't overheat, and you know then it's getting a good clean airflow into it. Thanks for watching.